There's a subtle change in the prairie wind, a big storm brewing on the plains again. Where the Kansas farmer wants to till the ground. Hey, listen everybody, can you feel the sound? Fields of thunder rumble with the roar of big machines. Fields of thunder, you can almost taste the smell of gasoline. When the cars fly by the finish line and the rush pulls you under, you'll see the light and you'll know why they're called Fields of Thunder. Born in the great Daytona sand, it rises up from the great hard land. Purple and gold in the Kansas sun, everybody come see the big dogs run. In fields of thunder, rumble with the roar of big machines. Fields of thunder, you can almost taste the smell of gasoline. When the cars fly by the finish line and the rush pulls you under, you'll see the light and you'll know why they're called Fields of Thunder. Like a big tornado just touched down, 43 cars cut a path around. Fields of thunder rumble with the roar of big machines. Fields of thunder, you can almost taste the smell of gasoline. When the cars fly by the finish line and the rush pulls you up.
Well, there it is, folks. It's the beginning of the Labor Day weekend, and we're here with this factory stocks. We're here with the factory stock A main at Midway Speedway here in Lebanon, Missouri. The front row is and and here we go with the factory stock A main. Sundance Keeper on the pole and Tim Ripple on the outside of that first row. Wanted to get away for the weekend. Here's the place to come. Lebanon Midway Speedway. Here's the factory stock A main, 5 down. Chris Darnell in your lead here, and Bob Guston, the points leader there in the 02, as he's getting a hard look on the inside from the 75. But Chris Darnell is going to lead him down, but we've got another yellow. Well, folks, the Cheese Works is kicking off the holiday weekend, the Memorial Day weekend here at Lebanon Midway Speedway in the factory stocks with Chris Darnell here leading. In the 30, got your points leader in the 02. But Chris Darnell's been showing them the way around here so far. We got 6 laps down now. Chris Darnell, your leader there in the 30. But here comes the 02. He looks like he's going to take the lead. Oh, Chris Darnell leads them out of 4. Bob Guston right on his back bumper. They both go low through 1. Guston looks to the outside. He knows Darnell's going to protect that low side. He's going to run around it. 10 down, 5 to go in this factory stock feature. Chris Darnell, your leader. Bob Guston in second place. He's been all over the back bumper of Darnell. Looks like he's going to go to the outside, but it's not going to pay off this lap. There's the winner coming out of the car of your factory stock A main here at Midway Speedway. Chris Darnell. Folks, we got a beautiful, cool evening here at Midway Speedway in Lebanon, Missouri. Tim Jones on the pole. Brandon Waters bring him down for the start of the Bombers here at Lebanon Midway. Looks like Tim Jones is gonna. Well, folks, we've had a beautiful evening here so far at Lebanon Midway Speedway. Tim Jones, Brandon Waters bring him out of turn 4 here for this bomber race. And Tim Jones is going to dive down to the inside there. He's going to pull away from the pack just a little bit. Brandon Waters is in second. There's your winner of the hobby stock class, Brandon Waters, here at Lebanon Midway Speedway. J.C. Newell here has opened up over a straightaway lead as he goes into 1 through 2. Starts into turn 3. You can see how far he is out in front as we go back here to second and third. Number 83 in second. Number 20 in third and 11 in fourth. J.C. Newell out front and pulling away. 3-car race here for second. Here comes out of the car Ben Newell, your winner of the late model sportsman here at Midway Speedway on this Friday night of the holiday weekend, Memorial Day.
Say hi.
Yeah, give me a wave. Say hi.
Wait a minute. Say hi. Bye. Wait a minute.